Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Taigo R Line 1.0 TSI with 116 horsepower, a stunning blue exterior, and packed with features for a comfortable and safe driving experience. This reliable estate Jeep boasts a 1-litre engine, manual transmission, and runs on petrol for efficient performance. With air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and multiple airbags, this vehicle prioritizes your comfort and safety. Enjoy the convenience of electric folding mirrors, USB 12V power outlets, and lane departure warning. Not only does this Volkswagen Taigo come with sleek styling details like roof rails and privacy glass, but it also has advanced security features such as anti-collision system and emergency call capabilities. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this impressive vehicle, call us or visit michaelmoore.ie today. Drive confidently in the Volkswagen Taigo.